ipade town council kanyi ipade district esayol bien kafiu chak chawa adek richard ki chako chel ne chawa chel ki joma ki bay richard kom gene joma pe ki mudugu maka police wache gi ben lo ha waza ke no chet gang cha do romo ki ramo a cheru gang cha go romo pade joma mar kuch eto kitiga yellu pade papa ngongo mano tirateme so varara desi ya piyom igin matirateme machalo chairman me security pa de district amiro digini meeting kubetie dogbene jo mobile richachi ticket di kongdong gen kuberi buj pedok ne ko diri ichane gen kuberi buj diri wa beru ki meeting ki dano idibakan mala kitimo machalo wor koma beach pa bi ye ni kit gidon mier ko bet katime pade bien ma enene nen chalo pade don kono gen pay Uganda kono ni keri way kampale chane ko madung cha deke yin no dan potira wor gidon pade don ngomara ki pade an pabi ni la kit ginu ko teme vanara disi machal wor kom malo lok me kuj nen ni recharge ipade ka dong tinu beru ko kitu ko be me jikne do atira lego luak bati ko ni street magentira wangotaya o tembe ananyo ni chwe chuntie o dokchen po tem kit balo bo pien kunu yini cher bal ku bi wat moto kana ku bi ki chelo screen ke tiaro me joko dano we peko betka wango taya idi chairman motoka screen oto si motoka ni mungu shil motoka ni makamigu kene makamigu kere mega ngatuma mo wila bijele we no de makamigu alego bed mo we digini ku dikuma pinruni wanen kidma wadonyo kere loke me yobne kamado balle.
Okay, yeah, Lawin, very mera ene loga chilario wabikwanyo only two people.
Before we even go to questions,
yes.
Right now, Chairman, for you are talking, right now I am going to meet the police in charges right now in the barracks.
Yeah.
I will not take picture questions, I will answer them on phone.
Okay,
because
thank you.
I need to go and meet them right now. So that I put
Tomorrow
is too late. Afoy attack people, just calm down, you know that I am going to deal. We did not tell them. I told them wherever it comes to 7 dark, don't even bother to go to the people. 2 weeks, why should you go to bother and fire the people?